Hello. So to use plugins in Ruby, you go to the Ruby website under development section, and there you can find information on how you can write your plugin if you want to, or you can use plugins from the existing library. So you just browse and download the plugins that you want to use. So after that, you plug in the file into the USB stick, and you put the stick into your Ruby controller. Then from the menus you go to the controller settings, and there you have manage plugins option. You see the ones that are already installed, but you can install from the USB stick. So we found one plugin that we downloaded and we added to the USB stick. So that's all basically. Now your plugin is ready to use in Ruby, and you can configure it. So basically for each OSD screen you can turn it off and off, or size it, remove it, or move it on the screen. Here you can see how the plugins will actually show up during a flight. So right now we have the artificial horizontal plugin, we have the altitude plugin, and the speed plugin installed already on this controller. So basically the plugins are using the telemetry data and will display in real time the information. Now let's try to switch to a different OSD screen to see how you can customize each screen. So on this screen we will move the instruments around to make it look more interesting. So this customization, it's of course particular to this drone. So for each individual drone or plane or whatever you have, and for each OSD screen you can customize separately what instruments to show and how they are arranged on the screen. Now we are increasing the font size a little bit, so we are good with this layout. So let's do some speed runs and see how it looks. Okay, I switch to the GPS mode so that the vehicle stays in place while I play around with the OSD. So I'm moving the speed indicator to a different position. Okay. On this particular drone I'm using a V1 Raspberry Pi camera, which is not the best one, but for the purpose of these tests it works just fine. Of course, the source code for these plugins, it's available online, so anyone can actually customize those instruments or change something they don't like and so on, or write different ones with a different look and feel. Those are just some reference plugins to be used as a template on how to write a plugin. Okay, now we are We are preparing to land now. Let's see some flight statistics, and that's all for this video. So I hope it helps. Enjoy and have fun. Bye bye.